I learned this trick at a famous restaurant. Now, I only make ribs like this. Start by putting 2 kilos of pork ribs in a large skillet filled with boiling water, and cook for 2 minutes. After this time has passed, remove from the skillet. Remove the skin from the top of the ribs using the handle of a spoon, just like this, and cut into smaller pieces. Then cut 2 medium onions, cut them in half and into thin strips, and set aside. Now, bread the ribs in wheat flour, just like this. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, a drizzle of vegetable oil, and stir until the butter melts completely. When that happens, add the ribs and fry until golden brown. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right point. Remove from the heat and set aside. In the same skillet, add the onion strips and fry them until slightly wilted. When that happens, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried fine herbs, and stir until combined. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Now, add the ribs again. Also add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 300 milliliters of beer. Cover the skillet and let everything cook for 20 minutes over low heat. After this time has passed, add 100 grams of tomato puree. Stir until combined. Cover again and let everything cook for another 20 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.